Hey fam, so in this video I want to show you how you can convert a Visa gift card into cash without using Stripe or PayPal. Now I already have a video where I showed you how you can use Stripe or PayPal to convert a Visa gift card into cash. However, the challenge is that some people PayPal or Stripe is not available in their country, and again Stripe requires you to have a large amount to withdraw that money, while PayPal also has just those restrictions that we can't fully explain. Now if you've been on the channel, you know that I practice what I preach, and right now on the screen you can see that this is a tremendous gift card that I had used with this very method that I'm going to show you, and you can see right here that is showing completed and the balance is now almost zero that was left in the card. You can see another one here also, you can see it was completed, the money was used up. It's also a tremendous gift card. Here is another, then you can also see that it was completed successfully. So all you have to do is come over to a platform known as Whoop.com. Now I don't know, some people will say WAP, some will say Whoop, some will say it doesn't matter so long you are on Whoop.com. I'll just leave a link in the description so that you can just come directly to this platform. Now the first thing you want to do, of course, is to sign up. Now I'm not going to show exactly like how you sign up. It's very easy, it's very straightforward. Just log in with your Gmail account and you're good to go. Now in order for you to receive payments, you need to have what they call a Whoop, or just in normal terms, just a business for yourself. So all you have to do is click right here where it says start a business. Now here you want just to click on create from scratch. Now when you do the create from scratch, you just need to give it a name. Now you can even give it your own name. Just say, let's say for example, John's Consultancy, something like that. Then just click on create. It's as simple as that. So once you've created your business, the first thing you have to do is to verify your account. Now don't worry, unlike let's say Stripe or PayPal that requires you to have maybe documents like international documents. Let's say for example Stripe needs you to have, let's say, a business in the US, UK, or any of the supported countries. PayPal also has its own like restrictions with the documents they request and the likes. Now with Whoop, the good thing is that you can verify with either your national ID or your passport, your driver's license, or sometimes they can even verify you with your voter's card. It just depends with the country you are from, and sometimes also you can use even the documents of a country where maybe let's say you have business in, as long as you have documents to use that you can verify with. So just click on verify here, you choose the country. It's very straightforward, don't worry, it's very easy to verify. Now once you've verified your account, you come back to the business that you created. Okay, you come back to the business and you see here where it says checkout links. So you just click on checkout links right here, and all you have to do is create a checkout link. Okay, once you click on create a checkout link, you just need to give it a name. Now the name that you give, it doesn't matter. Whoop supports a lot of businesses, especially businesses to do with digital marketing or let's say online business. So that's the advantage. The restrictions are not like the way they are on Stripe, on PayPal, whereby maybe you just receive one payment. When you say you are doing digital items that you are selling, they restrict you and the likes. Whoop doesn't have those challenges. That's the advantage. So you just give it a name. Let's say for example ebook. Of course you can give it a name. It can even be just a consultational call. You can even give it like, let's say, John's Consulting, depending with your name. Of course you don't give it my name. Then you also here you can put a headline. You can just a short brief description. Okay, then you can describe it right here. It's up to you. Then here, now the amount here, you choose one time. Okay, it's a one-time payment. Then here you have to set the amount. Now note that Whoop also charges a fee, so you have to take into consideration that you will lose a certain percentage in the gift card. Okay, so here you, let's say for example, you can see like this gift card that it had like some, I think $13. Yeah, it had $13. So like the first time when I typed $13, Whoop added a 0.39, which is the fee they were charging. Like they charge you, I don't know if it's 1%, something like that. I can't remember exactly, but they'll charge you a fee. Yeah, so you have to take note of that. So maybe instead of typing the exact amount, you have to type in, like, let's say 12.99, or depending with the fee, or depending with the amount your Visa gift card or your gift card, let's say for example Tremendous gift card, which is very popular, Tremendous gift card has. And the advantage of Whoop also is that the minimum withdrawal is $10, and you can withdraw to multiple currencies. Okay, I'll talk about that later on. So here I'll just say maybe 12.5. all right, something like that, 12.5, or yeah, or just say, yeah, 12.5, I think it's all right, or 12.5, 5, okay, it's okay. So you just now click on create checkout link. Okay, you just click on create checkout link. So you can see that the checkout link has been created right here. You can see ebook on. Now if you want, let's say, to change anything with this checkout link, you can just click these 3 dots and you can edit it right here. Now if you want to use it now to, let's say, with the gift card, you're going to click right here to copy the link. So you can see checkout link, copy to clipboard here. Once you copy it, you can use any other browser device to make payment. So for example, I'm going to open Incognito and paste in that link right here and simply click enter. So you can see the payment page right here. Now you can see that there are even multiple payment methods. So for example, you can see Apple Pay is supported, Google Pay, I think Google Pay is also supported. They support multiple payments. You can see Cash App, let's say pay with crypto, bank transfer. So if, let's say, I had a gift card, let's say for Apple Pay or Google Pay, you just add it to Google Pay and you are going to come here and make payment, and you converted that gift card into cash. Okay, so you just enter the details right here, and these details you find them on the page for your gift card. So for example, you can see this is my the details for my gift card are right here. So these are the details I would type in right here and just simply click on join. Now when you click on join, I forgot just to edit my page to show pay here, so it's showing join. I'm supposed to show pay. Okay, but it's okay, even join still works. So it doesn't matter, because it doesn't matter. So when you pay, they hold the amount. Now the payment, because it's a new account, they'll hold, there's a brief hold in what any business, remember, any payment processor does a hold. So they'll hold the amount briefly, like for 2 to 3 days. Now while you've done your first transaction, don't make any other transaction. Wait until the transaction is finalized. Usually 2 to 3 days, your funds will be available for withdrawal. So when the funds are available for withdrawal, you'll be able to choose whichever withdrawal method you're able to use. Now just note that the minimum withdrawal amount that is required is $10. You can even withdraw in crypto, you can withdraw via your mobile money, depending on your country. You can withdraw via bank transfer, PayPal, you can withdraw via credit card and the likes. Okay, so it just depends with the country that you are using. So that's how you can actually convert your gift card into cash without using PayPal or Stripe. Just simply use the platform known as Whoop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you.